Best Mandala Dotting Tool Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular dotting tools in the market that have been used by thousands of mandala enthusiasts who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this dotting tool so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set of tools. The one that made our list is the Oxy 19-piece Mandala Dotting Tool Set. This set comes in a zippered waterproof storage bag so that you can bring it around easily. There are 8 different acrylic rods of different diameters which can be used for mandala rock painting or art on canvas. You'll also receive 4 rubber handlebar stylus and 5 stainless steel ball stylus ranging from 1 to 18 millimeters. And there are 8 different mandala stencil designs which you can use to draw perfect circles and straight lines easily. These can be used on 5 to 6 inch cardstock square or canvases. This set also comes with a 12-well pigment plate which you can use to put watercolor, acrylic and oil to use on your painting. To check out the full specs of the Oxy 19-piece Mandala Dotting Tool Set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/mandala dotting. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this set. So there you have it, the Oxy 19-piece Mandala Dotting Tool Set. Considering its ease of use, the comprehensive range of tools included, and the overall quality of the set, we feel that this is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Oxy 19-piece Mandala Dotting Tool Set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/mandala dotting. Alright, thank you for watching.